Hey! Mommy's name, Anjanette. Ito yung luggage namin. You're full.
But I'm just pretending.
Oh, you're just pretending. I'm gonna buy some coffee for me.
Bye.
Posing. Oh, that's so close. Hi, Lia. Eat tayo. Ako lang yung kakain. Ayaw nung dalawa. Like sandwich. Walang tinanong sa immigration. Good morning. Tatak, tatak, tatak. Okay na. Bajin. Are you excited?
Yes.
Sleep ka muna. 8 o'clock pa lang. 9:15 pa tayo.
Did you bring a lot of toys?
Yan lang. Bluey lang. And the bus.
Why?
We cannot bring so many toys. It's heavy.
Did you bring so many toys in Singapore?
In Singapore, I brought Bluey and your magnetic dolls. I also brought your magnetic dolls.
No, Papa.
That's the correct color.
Daddy.
请所有乘客落车。Please exit from the train. 请所有乘客下车。请所有乘客落车。Please exit from the train. 请所有。
Hi! Tapos ng train. Akyat ulit. Papuntang immigration. May hand carry luggage kami para sure. Para after shopping. Magkulang na naman kami sa luggage. Hi, Jean! Hi! Lia, say hi! We're done sa immigration. Smooth lang din yung immigration namin. Walang tinanong sa aming tatlo. Kunin na namin ngayon yung mga gamit. Parang sa Pinas lang. Walang tinanong sa Philippines. Wala rin tinanong sa Hong Kong. Yeah! Her stroller is here. You sit na, ha? Sit there. Okay? No carry. Yeah, go down. Sit.
Your stroller is safe.
Go.
Daddy, why? Tomina, why? Can you hear? Oh.
Ang laki. Ay, nasa taxi na kami. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa loob kasi ang dami naming dala. Bumili kami ng octopus card, 2 adult at isang pang kid.
Asan yung
Kailangan tigi-tagi-isang. Sa iba na nga iba eh.
This is amazing!
Mini heart attack. Magkano?
Now we're at home.
Magka-taxi kami papuntang Disney Hollywood Hotel.
Playground!
Okay, 145
Playground!
HKD.
Playground!
Change for 500.
Playground! Daddy, playground, small playground.
Okay. Tapos nag-withdraw na rin kami. Nag-debit card lang kami sa ATM machine. Yung pinag-withdrawan namin ay sa HSBC. Pero ang gamit ko, BPI, tapos si Daddy Metrobank. Sa HSBC kami nag-withdraw. Let's go! Big nga paglabas. Sa airport, ang init. Siguro hindi naka-on yung aircon. Pero paglabas namin, ang lamig.
Say hi. Say hi. Daddy, say hi. Say hi.
Hi!
Say hi. We're going to Disney.
Going to Disney Hollywood Hotel.
We're gonna push a playground. Daddy, go to the mini playground, inside the hotel.
They're so close. Thank you.
Okay. Yup.
We still have a luggage in front. We get
Daddy.
Yeah, say hi. Daddy. Hi. Let's go. Check-in na kami. Punta na kami sa room. Hi, mag-check-in na kami. Dream come true.
Yes, Aliyah.
I'm so happy. Ay, nag-check-in na pala kami. Mali pa nang sinasabi. Later, let's check that Aliyah later. We'll go to our room na. Mga activities daw for kids. Tapos ito na yung key cards.
Mommy.
Lunch pa din.
Mamaya magpipicture-picture kami dyan. Aliyah, we will take so many pictures today, okay? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Aliyah, ako muna pasok sa room ha. Because I want to see your reaction. Let's go out. 5705. 5705. Liam! Wait lang. Wait for me. Stay outside muna. Stay there outside. I'm here! Kinikilig ako. Pinag-outside ko muna si Aliyah. Kasi gusto kong makita reaction ni Aliyah pagpasok niya dito sa room. Kaya set up ko na.
got the miss.
Go inside din. See your room. Go inside din. See your room. Are you happy? Are you happy? Go inside din. See your room. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Here, dream come true! I'm so happy! Happy si Aliyah, happy rin si Mommy. Kasi nakikinood-nood lang tayo ng mga vlogs. Tapos ngayon, nandito na rin tayo. Ang ganda rin ng view. See? So pretty! Everything is so pretty! Ito ang team na pinili namin. Mickey Mouse. Kasi hindi naman kilala ni Aliyah yung Marvel. Yan ang luggage namin.
Mouse of his.
Thank you.
Back, come in.
Wow, what is that, Jin? You're writing? It's a cute pen. Oh, water.
Great, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Daddy,
And this is our bathroom. Bathtub. Hi! You pee first before we go down. And also, let's take pictures first here. Our room is so pretty! Super happy ni Mommy! Alia, are you happy? May I sing up ano? Happy face. Why are you so quiet?
Leah looks sad. Let's go home now.
No!
Are you sad?
No!
Why are you so quiet?
I'm just looking at the view.
And
the view.
you're just looking at the view. Sing.
Okay, like this.
Okay, that's fine. $10 discount yung Pandora charms ko be. Yan o, merchandise discount. $10. What is this? Enjoy 100 HKD discount upon spending $500 or above. Oh, okay. It's so pretty. 2 for us and 1 for the kid, for Aliyah. The small one is for you.
This?
Ito yung itsura ng octopus card. Yung orange sa amin ni Daddy. Tapos tong blue yung pambata. Ito yung itsura ng pera. Nag-withdraw ko ng 1.7. Dapat 1.650 eh. Pero pinapili ako ng machine 1.7. Kasi itong 700 bayad sa photographer bukas. Magpo-photoshoot tayo sa Disneyland! Okay. Go! Wow, it's so pretty!
升降机落，升降机落。
Marvel. Insect. Si Mami din. Lamig na, Jin. Okay.
Leah!
Hindi yan, mami first. O, video muna. Nasa labas na kami ng hotel. Kinakabahan ako sa'yo. Baka mahulog eh.
There na, let's look for the slide. Dali. Yan.
Ay, sinabi.
Wala.
That one?
Mm-mm.
Look. Where are you?
Ay, hindi natuloy yung pagbablog ko kanina kasi kinakabahan ako kay Aliyah eh. Pero yun na nga, nadapa na. Well, kasama sa pagiging magulang, pagiging mami, ang makulit na toddler, at kasama yung nadadapa talaga sila. Ang itinerary namin today ay chill lang kami dito sa hotel para masulit namin tong dream come true na Hollywood Hotel. Mag-i-stay lang kami dito, libot-libot, ayun lang. Tapos tomorrow Disneyland. Super chill day today. Diba, Daddy? Oh no, don't leave me! I will run! I will also run! I will also run so fast!
No.
Oh, it's going down. Be careful. Be careful there.
Come on, Daddy.
Hey, lamig ng hangin. Ang saya.
Are you feeling cold? No. Okay, jacket.
are we right now? This is Disney Hotel.
Mommy, let's leave Daddy. Come
Let's leave Daddy. Let's leave Daddy.
Oh my hand.
Your hands. Let's leave Daddy.
Go up there.
I don't like. You go up there.
Daddy.
Oh no, you go up there.
I'm still alive.
Still alive.
Gonna catch me.
I'm gonna catch you. Daddy, I'm not going.
It's not
It's not working, sayang.
sayang din.
Let's wait for your turn na lang. When the other kids are done. You try it again.
Pedal again. No! Use the pedal. Not working. Sira. Sira.
It's so cold. Kala ko may natawag sa yung Aline Daddy. It's so cold. One, two, three. One, two. Leave me.
Oh no, I'm so high.
Dialog mo na.
We will look for a headband. Oh, let's go na.
To be mini.
Yes, both of us will be mini.
Daddy mini.
Hmm.
Mommy mini.
Daddy will be Mickey. He will not wear a headband. There's an entrance there. Go walk. You know this one? Who is this? Woody. Very good. Let's go. Let's go to the toy store and look for our headband. You know that one? Who's that? Elsa. And this one? Snow White. That's cute. How much is this?
And Buzz.
79 Hong Kong dollars.
And Buzz.
You like this?
No.
Very
You're just looking. Tumbler. The pink one.
I want the pretty one.
Which one?
That one.
169.88. This one? This one?
No.
This?
No.
Higher? This one?
No. This. No, this.
Which one?
No, the gold.
The gold one? Mom, because it looks like this. Look at mommy. Mommy will buy this.
Gusto ko yung black.
Black? Mini? This one?
Mickey. No Mickey.
Why?
Minnie.
This one? Or this one? Magkano ba? Ito, 169. Ito, 169. Ah, pareho lang.
I want double.
Ito. You like that?
Hmm?
Do you like bags? I said look for a toy. Why? Why a bag?
Can you show it to me? Where's your bag?
Mommy,
I like this.
can you buy this? Can you buy this?
99.
Mommy, can you buy this?
Why? Are you going to use this? You're not gonna
You have a
use
lot
it
of bags,
naman.
Payne.
You have so many bags.
I want the bag.
You choose a smaller one. That's too
That's so
big.
big pa for you.
No, I want this.
Buy bag. Mas mura pala to. 79 lang.
You have a beautiful bag. The link too long, just the thing falling down.
She likes it, but we're not planning to buy it.
Here, it's okay.
Can I use this? 2 items, you can use 2 vouchers. Okay. First blood. Picture frame at saka headband. Akin yan din eh. That's mine din. She said she don't like to wear. And now she's wearing it. Ulit.
For you.
That's not finished.
But
Just 1/3.
I just didn't finish for you. I will tapi enggak saya coba. Saya Give me that. I'm gonna try. What do you want more? What do you want more?
I want some pasta, please.
Okay. This is you. What is this for? What is this flavor?
Ja, det var ju kul.
Because it's so Look everything!
Hi! Dahil na maglaro si Aliyah sa arcade. Punta kami ngayon sa Explorer's Lodge kasi chinek ni Daddy yung mga menu sa mga restaurants dito tsaka sa ibang hotel. Mas marami daw choices doon. Doon din nagstay sila kuya dati. Punta kami doon. We're going to eat dinner. Ako na ulit may suot ng headband. I'm wearing it. You like? Okay.
Door closing.
Hi!
Hindi to
现在零速，升降机上。
想想清楚。
I'll drink medicine first. Punta muna kami sa room namin. Let's go! Hi! We are outside the hotel. Now we're walking to the Explorer's Lodge. Natakbo na yung mga babies ko. Yun. Patakbo na sila. Yung anak ko, naiinitan pa. Gusto niyang tanggalin yung jacket niya. Samantalang ako, lamig na. Dress pa more, tapos puro ba ako, puro skirt. Tis ganda. Disneyland! Naririnig namin yung mga sigaw ng mga tao sa rides. Explorer's Lodge. We're here. Good ng hotel. It's so cool. What is that? Yo, what do you like? Mickey, Minnie, Stitch, Donald Duck. You like?
Mahal pala ng Donald Duck. Mickey Mouse ka.
How about Minnie Mouse?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse is so cute.
Oh, pink.
Look, oh, it's pink.
Okay.
Yay! Because it's cheaper. Let's pay for it first. Yes, ice cream.
Mom.
So expensive. Buti na convinced na.
$15.
Let's take a picture first. Daddy picture si Jin. Ay?
Yeah, can I taste? Come here. Can I taste something?
The playroom! Go, go, go! Not that one, there! Yeah, we found Kuya M's playroom. Again. Why there? Yay! Ay, nag-close na yung playroom. Aliyah, say hi! Super happy ni Aliyah kasi nakita niya yung playroom na yon. Kasi doon nag-play yung kanyang Kuya M. Napanood niya sa mga vlogs ni Kuya M niya. Kaya gusto niya rin pumunta sa playroom na yon. Ayun, dapat pabalik na kami ng hotel namin sa Hollywood. Pero nakita namin yung playroom dito sa Explorers Lodge. Kaya super happy niya. Time check, it's 8 o'clock PM in the evening. Babalik na kami sa aming room. Bye-bye! Disney Explorers Lodge. Going back to Hollywood Hotel. Let's go.
Yeah, you walk muna.
You walk muna because you are so heavy and we're so far.
Hanggang dun lang ako.
Take out naming pizza. Tsaka yung food ni Jean. Hello, Hollywood Hotel. We are back. Walking. Ang saya maglakad-lakad dito kasi ang lamig. Hi! We are back! Ang bilis! Tapos na agad yung day 1! Hi, Daddy and Aliyah!
Hi.
It's time to rest! Hindi ako nakapag-OOTD Dress from Muji. Yung jacket kanina sa Zara. Good night, everyone! See you tomorrow! Say good night, Daddy.
Good night.
Tomorrow is Disneyland! Yay!